At galore near Tashbont Limní no Cill Chainnigh ar mulla berta ina giat le hí. Chai Limneach lethe going Portláirige, fad is an darla asad Cill Chainnigh in lethe le híválaí. Ní bhíon éon spás de bhatún na drothashbont rang a hain, má hain fiosar na darnach lethe. Bhí Brian Tyres is níos de bhaldrathe i Limneach don ceann seo.
Fachtan sa mátá ge captain Cill Chainnigh Dara Corcoran. Tommy Walsh agus David Blanchfield fós gortathe hiúlála mar a sólding inis níl sér fáil. Corach Mahanson agus slachtathe go deasige Adam English. Seachún O'Connor, Crean on Boxair, Cunasaige on Immert, Gach Puke Ho Creanwish. Baden Tallis. Dierhe Estach Sachoon in Sunday Gopad Le Cody, Suro Luimneach and Son, Diarmid Burns and Dirga Hurtov, Vile Runach or Dakare and an old score.
Go Hurling and Shin Fresh and Schliger, Rugshire and Schlitterlen a love, Yesh Kager, Das Oge, Dahrik Shea Lava, Haran Trasnon or Have Clay, Dullet Drone, Tavlina Favru.
Mikey Butler. Forshan Schlitter, Agus Reedy and Ianacht and Son, Luke Canellen. Or the Stachansa Dro Massey Kyon, Nish Martian Sealer, the Gossant, on Bishop Fachtige Donley, Agus Arnashkini Kyon, Shanser Hool, Agus Tasha, Ilastach, Chase the Cossiget, Diarmid Burns. Brontonis Lecart.
Yeah, agus near Vach, Massey Kyon, Tavi Stiger, Rimmel, Cairn Ogle, Tomley, Kyle Quinna, agus Sean Sort Pass a Hashi, Dixula, agus Eshin Freshen, on Schliger Leg, John Donnelly and Brishan Shin, Garon Fe Kahabader, Lahaval, dribble, Stocks are cool. Kaitu Glackala Gakyon, co-score. Erlaita Derek Lane, Tashagiri, Corlin of Oran Bonishtiak, agus Ruddy Nua, Cora Contusic, agus Tasha Sword, on Go Immert Gadisha.
Nish will reach in Triu Bauta, Lashtig the fair second, Fragger Fachta again, Limneach score Cill Chainnigh. Killian Doyle, Donnelly, Sheeran Sa, Agus Tarahi, Tachne, Paddy Deegan. Toilesh nar Berdacher, Magla Kush came in the Bader, Traston Sa, Agus Bahor Gimach, score again, Owen Cody, Agus Gluashach Nu Tala, Osta Kula Hemach. Dan Morrissey. Peter Casey tacht agus bute go ma gechan Keener Garrett. Lady Garrett agus David Barcott husna in lá dernach ag Derek Ling. Cathal O'Neill on Dave sa a Luragan Fass ach tá print a Lurag Howland son ag Peter Casey sár score. The toss her fad Shuchas Luke Canellen tres score all on Limerick ag Cill Chainnigh. Clifford Kaita Sheeran son again. An Gleach Fachta, Owen Cody, a reached a Viestigach, Tasha Buckamach, and Graham Curta Begona get Cody, Pre-Tani as Hoikan as Kelly get Cill Chainnigh. 4/ Jordan Malloy, Takastach Sachle, Anavur, Agashin Passelle, Estakani Massi. Anna Hewin, for the Vorn, Hemmer Gadisha, Neil Pass Untach, Tokensa, Agus Painter, again Luke Canell in the Stolium. Ní Luke Nashgill tá siúd me Luke Hogan. Corach Malera again Peter Casey, Cian Lynch, Stachansa, Gni Adam English. Nish Shachun Gilan agus tá Cathal O'Neill Travis Stigda. Gilan a tuairt for a hole. Agus ní mór nagar Munchen Leon Town. Das the Cooley.
Well, Neil sé ciúin inis. Wow. Oracher. Nuair chud a bit like the Cathal O'Neill Tavis Stigda like Sean different in the phone and stoke, Cian Lynch and Boog and Donna could schlitter him off, because Lynch towered for a score. Fech, the O'Neill and that Glesh at Dorche. No, Fecher shot bang! Wow, near Shetzer Bay, again, Tallis bucked.
Canagan na Gumon, na Clausen Son is just a close fish. Will O'Donoghue. Stacheli Gilan erased on Roher, Son, and the Son, again, show the crow and Sposh, Agus he or the Point Tall, Harsh and Traston again.
Anna Mool Freshen, you don't look good Cian Lynch direct Howard face score. Oh, Fech, Shin Margwala Reach, O'Donnell.
There's Takula Tastal, Agus Tashigan Darkart, Owen Cody Rosa, Stach, Agus Taran, Sachpintas, and Leonton again showed. Butcher Nicky Quaid, Count the Clahy. The Clahy's found him again Cody.
Oh, Kintock, Faker, Donnelly, a reach, hard Diarmid Burns, Freshen, like, you know, Shin Coupla Count, Will She Teresh Breher, Agus Faker Shummer Creek, oh, hard Gooling Morrissey.
Nish Martian Turi Cody Fay a Howlofa. And pass the Stachari Paddy Deegan. Shirgody Liam Moornish. So Glushach on Scowen boy down. We shed Turt Fay. Agus in our Shelvad Oskana Trasnoy. Tógad sé sin ar sa leach na himre Peter Casey. Isteach go dtí Burns, pe an ótá ge siúd, chó fadach an cín, agus é dul isteach an congar chun a choil, raibh Calais bhí ar san réitheoir. Agus tá puck éidir go branta, ní flár, is stoil gur chuir sé lúil.
Carta Dove, Captain. Yes, Carta Dove, yeah.
Even talas me go tref bháin beidir aráile Burns teirgrín gúile mai aslata, sáirithe an sunnestig. Ige Aidan Talas agus sinné action derig isteach leis na thugánig ón seachtán híos fún tá Burns mí hásta gur hepper an cúla háilin san ón buc éirice ach seo búmá do Luimneach má bichéan ar soch fesin Peter Casey ar aus, Cian Lynch ar aus Cóhhardas dianta ige Derek Ling le John Kiley and son.
There would have been nobody more critical of themselves than the players themselves, to be honest with you. You know, they were really, really disappointed with their own performance last week. We just didn't bring the energy at all to the game. The response has been good during the week. You know, training Tuesday, Friday night was really good. And, you know, ultimately the main response has to be on the next game. And today, that's it. Like, so, we're delighted to get the win, first and foremost. But I suppose the performance was, you know, very encouraging.